Hey everyone, it's Kevin Tamura from strama.ai. Today's video wanted to take a look at how we can send email sequences at scale. So if you've gone through our onboarding process, you are accustomed to, hey, how do we just generate one sequence? Now let's figure out how we can do that for multiple prospects. So to get started, I'm going to click on new sequence. And it's going to give us two different options within our app. One is just providing a LinkedIn URL and an email. So LinkedIn URL, comma, Kevin at strama.ai. Or if you don't have the email, you could just provide the LinkedIn URL, as you see here. Um, we're going to do our best to try to find that URL for you, or sorry, the email for you, but we're not always going to return that. So, as a best practice, try to bring the email if you can. Second way is if you have a CSV, right? Salesforce report, HubSpot report, Apollo, ZoomInfo. We can drag and drop that CSV into here. Just make sure that your header for LinkedIn URL matches this and email matches this. Pretty self-explanatory. I have an example right here that I'm going to drag and drop. So you see that it's taken the 6 contacts in. From here, I can determine how long I want that sequence to be. If you want it to be AI determined, but you have short, medium, and long. Short's probably 4 emails, medium's maybe 6, and long is 8 to 10 touches. So depending on your segment, right? If you're SMB, you might want sort of the shorter turnaround. Let's just do short, and then I can go ahead and generate those sequences. And we see some of these contacts start to generate. Once they've generated, like these folks here, and if the copy looks good, go to Ted, boom, yep, everything looks good. I could go ahead and just click approve, and that'll approve it for all of these folks and start running the sequence. So we are working on other ways to connect, whether it's our CRM, is one potential spot that we're looking to be able to drive this in bulk. So hope that was helpful today. In the next video, I'll actually take a look at our newest Chrome extension, how we can use the Chrome extension within LinkedIn to do sort of one-off prospecting that way as well. So appreciate you watching. Feel free to check us out. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly, Kevin at strama.ai. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.